The Mercer University School of Medicine congratulates Dr. Bryant Smalley, the 2018 NRHA Outstanding Researcher Award recipient. Dr. Smalley is the Associate Dean for Research and Accreditation and Professor of Community Medicine and Psychiatry in the Mercer University School of Medicine. The school's mission is to educate physicians and health professionals to meet the primary care and healthcare needs of rural and medically underserved areas of Georgia. Dr. Smalley was born and raised in the small rural town of Toomsboro in central Georgia, where his family has lived for over 100 years. The first person in his family to graduate from high school, Dr. Smalley went on to earn a PhD, a PsyD, and an MBA, as well as becoming a licensed clinical psychologist. Dr. Smalley has dedicated his career to designing and testing new ways to meet the health needs of rural populations, with a particular focus on intervention development and testing, and community-based participatory research principles that engage rural communities as full partners in the research process. Through his community-focused research, he has formed multiple county-level partnerships for health in rural Georgia communities, where he works collaboratively with local leaders and community members to identify and address the county's most pressing health needs. This work has resulted in the implementation of comprehensive self-esteem building initiatives for elementary school children and ongoing work to form the first school-based health center within rural southeastern Georgia. His research has been supported by over $6 million in federal funding from the Office of Rural Health Policy within NRHA, the Federal Corporation for National and Community Service, and through Center of Excellence funding from the National Institute on Minority Health and Health Disparities within the National Institutes of Health. Through this funding, Dr. Smalley has developed multiple health promotion programs, including Project Adept, a promising practice within the Rural Health Models and Innovations Hub, and Project Educate, which is leading to substantial improvements in glycemic control among rural diabetic patients. Dr. Smalley is also highly dedicated to training future generations of rural health researchers, co-founding and co-directing both the Disparities Elimination Summer Research Experience and the Health Disparities Cyber Mentoring Program, as well as publishing more than 20 peer-reviewed journal articles with students and postdoctoral trainees. Through his work, Dr. Smalley has published 2 rural health-focused books, Rural Mental Health and Rural Public Health, as well as more than 50 peer-reviewed journal articles and book chapters. He regularly presents rural health research findings at the annual conventions of the National Rural Health Association, the American Psychological Association, and the American Public Health Association.
Mercer University School of Medicine has a mission. That mission is the care of Georgians in rural and underserved populations. The addition of Dr. Bryant Smalley to our faculty is vital to the success of that mission, and we're truly honored to have him here as part of our faculty. We are committed to that mission, and his level of work and research and concern for the patients in those areas is very meaningful and important to the work we do. It is an honor to have him here, and we are delighted by this recognition on his behalf.
Thank you to the National Rural Health Association for this recognition. I also wanted to thank all of the mentors, colleagues, and students over the years who have worked with me to help make a difference in rural communities. Most importantly, though, I wanted to thank all of the civic leaders, healthcare providers, and above all, community members, without whom my research would not be possible. Again, thank you.